Hi everyone, let's make Andhra style chili chicken. First, pound lots of green chilies, make it nice and rough. Heat oil in a pan, add sliced onions, the pounded green chilies, mix it and add ginger garlic paste. Give it a quick stir. Now add salt and little bit of turmeric. Drop in the chicken pieces and mix everything really well. A little green chili sauce for that extra kick, and you can add more green chilies if you dare. Now add a splash of soy sauce. Mix again. Now add some water to cook it through. Make a quick corn flour slurry, pour it in and stir until it thickens up nicely. Your spicy, fiery and packed with flavor Andhra chili chicken is ready. You can garnish with coriander, you can add some sliced ginger, but I have garnished with fresh coriander leaves. Please try this recipe, it's very simple, and let me know in the comment section below. And do try and send it to your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.